No kicking. No kicking and floating. No kicking and floating. Let go of my neck. Let go of my neck. Perfect. Now try to look at me now. Try to look at me. Perfect. Put your chin back. Put that chin back. Good. Just like that. Keep it like that, okay? Ready? We're going to count for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? Stand up. Good job. High five. High five. You're so wiggly today. Okay. Ready? We're going to warm up with some kicks, okay? Show me, show me, show me. Kick, 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 kick. Kick, 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 kick. Go, 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 go. Kick, kick, kick. Show me those big boy kicks. Ready? Press our hand. Go. Kick, 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 kick. Good job. Good. 1, 1, 1, 1. Good job. Ready? We're going to push off and we're going to do some kicks, okay? Perfect. Put your arm right here for me. Hold on really tight, okay? I'm only going to hold on to your knees. 1, 2, 3, push. Good. Kick, 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 kick. Kick for me, kick for me, kick for me. Go, 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 go. Kick, 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 kick. Good job. Ready? Back up. Back up. Good. Oh, be careful. Just like that. Good job. Go. Keep your head back. Keep your head back. Ready? 10 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Don't move your legs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just shoot your arms, please. Good. 9, 10. Stand up. Good job. Okay. Now we're going to do some big boy arms, alright? Remember when we did these last time? Ready? You show me with this arm. Ready? Push. Good. Straight. Don't bend them yet. Okay, keep them straight. Ready? 2 more. Ready? 1, 2. High five. do bubbles and then push, okay? So we're gonna go head down, push. Go, ready? Bubbles, push. Good. Good. Ready? Back to the wall. Let me see those kicks. Good. Big kicks, big kicks, big kicks. We're gonna stop right here, but this time. Ready? Head down. Breathe, 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 breathe. I'm gonna help you with this one, okay? Now bubbles, show me bubbles, show me bubbles. Push. Good. This time not, this time not. Yes, yes, yes. We're gonna try to put our eyes all the way underwater and then we're gonna push, okay? Okay? Good job. Hold on. Good job. Both hands ready. Set. Eyes down, push. Eyes down and push. Push, 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 push. Good job. That was so good. Let me fix your goggles. Good job. You're doing so good. Let's try one by yourself, okay? You don't want to put your face underwater yet, okay? Just put your face above water, okay? No, no, no. Okay. I just want to see you push off by yourself, okay? Put your arms up here if you need to. Like that. Perfect. Ready? Put. Oh! Good job! You still did it, though. Okay, ready? Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't be dumping your head all the way back. I didn't say so. I'm only gonna hold your neck now, okay? Good job. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Where were your hands supposed to be, Noah? Show me where your arms are supposed to be. Show me. Show me how your arms. No, 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 no. When you're floating, how should your arms be? Show me. Yes, just like that, right? Perfect. You want to try it again? Okay. Ready? Lay down. On your back. Where should your arms be? Perfect. Ready? 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, don't tuck your chin. Chin back. Chin back. Keep those arms. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't get moving those. Ready? Stand up. Good. High five. You're getting so good. Okay. Ready? Thumbs up. Ready? Put your eyes underwater again. Can we try another push-up underwater? Yes. I love that. Okay? Hold on to the ball. Okay, yeah, take your turn. You're gonna help you. But you still can't do that Ready? Eyes down, push. Eyes down, push. Good.